Alright guys, so today's video is going to be a little bit different. We're going to go over how to lift your lowered car. Step number one, appreciate how nice your car looks lowered.
This is going to be the only positivity in the whole video.
Step number two, grab your jack. Step number three, contemplate your poor life decisions. Step number four, make some shitty wooden ramp things. Step number five, drive up on shitty ramp things as a swarm of murder hornets in the trunk tries to kill you.
Oh God. Yeah, we got the murder hornets and everything else going on, and now we got Harbor Freight jack stands that'll apparently collapse on you. Is this what stock ride height looks like?
And there you have it, she's off the ground. We got some Harbor Freight jack stands, but I hope nobody's gonna die. So you guys, if you enjoyed this little video, drop a comment and a like down below. Right now we're taking the wheels off, we're gonna repaint the wheels, we're gonna do a brake upgrade and add some wheel spacers. So if you wanna watch that, stay tuned. Thanks, see you next time.